Hello everyone, and welcome back to my tutorial. Continuing from our previous tutorial, in this video I'll show you how to upload files to Google Drive using Python Flask and the Google Drive API. To get started, let's go back to the source code from our previous tutorial. Since we'll be uploading files, we first need to create an endpoint that returns an HTML upload page. To do that, I'll create a new app route and name it file_uploader. Next, create the file_uploader method and have it return an HTML page. For simplicity, we'll hard-code the HTML instead of returning a separate HTML template. As you can see, the HTML page contains a form with its action set to upload, which we'll create shortly. It also includes a file input for selecting a file and a submit button. Now let's restart Flask and test the page. Let's check whether the endpoint is accessible. It looks like there's a problem. It's named file_uploader. Sorry about that. Here's our HTML page. If we try to upload a file now, we'll get an error because the upload endpoint hasn't been created yet. That will be our next step. Let's create the /upload endpoint. This endpoint will accept post requests. Next, create a method called upload. For now, we'll simply return the message, file successfully added. Also, make sure the form specifying type equals multipart/form data, since we'll be uploading a file. If we restart the application, it now returns file successfully added. However, it doesn't upload anything to Google Drive yet because we haven't called the upload method. Let's implement that next. Go back to the gdrive.py file. First, add another Google Drive scope. Next, create a method called upload_file that accepts a file path as its parameter. Start with a try_except block. Then create the service using get_drive_service and initialize the file metadata as a dictionary. For now, let's hardcode the file name to download.jpg so we can verify that the upload endpoint works correctly. Specify also the value for parents. This is where you'll specify the destination folder in Google Drive where the file will be uploaded. First, run the file list endpoint and locate the public folder. Then copy its folder ID. Next, create a media file upload object. Then call service.files.create, passing the file metadata as the body and the media upload object. If the file is uploaded successfully, return its ID. Otherwise, catch the exception and return the error message. For this, we'll also need to import media file upload and JSON-PY. Then let's call the upload method from our endpoint. Call drive.upload_file, store the returned file ID, and send it back in the response. Now restart the application. Since the code is currently hard-coded to upload download.jpg, make sure that file is in the project folder before testing. It appears we have encountered another error. So far, the mistake is that upload_file has an extra parameter. Let's remove it and try again. There we go. We have successfully uploaded our file to Google Drive. Next, let's modify the hard-coded value to accept files uploaded through our HTML form. To do this, I will pass the request to our upload function and extract the file from the HTML form. Next, we'll create a variable for the local folder, since we'll save the uploaded file there first. Then build the file path using the local folder and file.filename. If the directory doesn't exist, create it, then save the uploaded file locally. We'll need to import the OS module if it isn't already imported. Next, update the file metadata to use the uploaded file's name. Then configure the media file upload object. Pass the file path and preserve the file's original MIME type. We'll also need to close the file stream. After the upload completes successfully, delete the local copy of the file to clean up. Now let's test our latest code. I'll delete the previously uploaded file, then try uploading different files. Let's refresh the page, select a file to upload, and test it. We have an error. Request is not defined. It looks like we forgot to import request from Flask. Let's add the import, restart the application, and try uploading the file again. This time, the file was uploaded successfully. You can see it in Google Drive. It may not be previewable, but you can still download it. Now let's upload another file named test upload. The file was uploaded successfully, and here it is. And that's it. We've successfully uploaded a file to Google Drive. Thank you for watching and happy coding. See you in the next tutorial.